Welcome to the ICSE Class 10 Maths tutorial. The topic is matrices, continued multiplication. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की 2 लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, खुद मुश्किलों को जिसने गले से लगा लिया, खुद मुश्किलों को जिसने गले से लगा लिया, फिर उसके वास्ते कोई मुश्किल नहीं रही, फिर उसके वास्ते कोई मुश्किल नहीं रही. शारिब ये क्या हुआ कि हर एक शय है अजनबी, शारिब ये क्या हुआ कि हर एक शय है अजनबी, वो हम नहीं रहे कि वो महफिल नहीं रही, वो हम नहीं रहे कि वो महफिल नहीं रही. Thank you. So today's question is, as you can see, question: if X be a matrix satisfying 6 minus 2, 2, 3, X is equal to 10 minus 4. Then there are 2 sub-questions. First, state the order of the matrix X. Second, find X. Okay, this is the question. Now solution. How to find out the order of the matrix X? Alright. I have written here first the order of X is 2 by 1, but the question is how? Alright, so have a look. Look here. Look here. Suppose there is a matrix A and the order is m by n. There is a matrix A, the order is m by n. There is a matrix A, order is m by n. There is a matrix B, there is a matrix B, order is n by p. When we multiply, we get a matrix C and its order will be m by p. M by p. This we already know, m by p. Alright? The number of columns is equal to the number of rows, so the product is possible. And when you multiply, you get a third matrix C, and the order of C will be m by p. Now please compare this here. Here the order is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Alright? So 2 by 2. In place of A we have this matrix, the order is 2 by 2. In place of B we have this matrix, that we have to decide. Okay. This we have to decide. And in place of C we have this matrix and the order is 2 by 1. 2 rows and 1 column. So it is 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Now can you find out the values of M, N and P? Yes. M is 2, N is 2, M is 2, P is 1. Now your order is N by P. N is how much? N is 2. N is 2. And P is 1. That means this order will be 2 by 1. 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Because your order is, if you compare this with this, A into B equal to C, A into B is equal to C. The order of A is m by n, the order of P is n by P, therefore the order of C will be m by P. That is the standard result. Now if you compare, in place of n you are getting 2 and in place of P you are getting 1. That means, and in place of this you have X. That means the order of X will be n by P, that is 2 by 1. That's what I have written. The order of X is 2 by 1. I hope it is clear. If you decide the order of the matrix like this, then easily you can write down the order of the matrix correctly. And listen, if the order itself is wrong, then everything will be wrong. You will lose all the marks. Okay. So very carefully you have to write down the order of the matrix, because accordingly you are going to suppose let x is equal to AB. This is 2 by 1, 2 rows and 1 column, and suppose you are writing some other order, so accordingly you will write down the value of x. You will suppose x, and then everything will go wrong. Okay, so x is supposed, because we found out that the order of the matrix x is 2 by 1, that means 2 rows and 1 column. So 2 rows and 1 column. So let x is equal to AB. Fine. So in place of x we will be writing down AB. We will find out the values of a and b, and then again we will substitute here and we get the value of x. Fine. Now we are copying this into x equal to this. So this into x, in place of x, AB is equal to this. Fine. Now let's multiply. I hope it's clear now. Now let's multiply. I am going to rub this. We are multiplying now. Okay. So let's multiply. After this. So now we are multiplying. You know how to multiply? So 6, this first row and this column. So 6 into a, that is 6a, minus 2 into b, that is minus 2b. So 6a minus 2b. Alright, so we can write down 6a minus 2b. And here it is 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b. Alright, this is the matrix. This we multiplied. Alright. This we multiplied. And this is equal to how much? This is equal to 10 and minus 4. 10 and minus 4. Multiplication you know, otherwise you see my video. Alright. Now, I have also taught you the equality of two matrices. Now these two matrices are equal, that means the corresponding element should be equal. So we can write down 6a minus 2b is equal to 10. 6a minus 2b is equal to 10. 6a, therefore you can write down 6a minus 2b is equal to 10, and 2a plus 3b equal to minus 4. 2a plus 3b is equal to minus 4. We can call this equation number 1 and equation number 2. You can call this equation number 1. And you can call this equation number 2. Okay, now after this you are going to solve these two equations. This you know from your 9th standard, 8th standard. Simultaneous equation. You remember in terms of x and y, 6x minus 2y is equal to 10, 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. So in place of x and y we are writing a and b. So you simplify this and get the values of a and b. That you have to do. You please do that. I suppose you know how to simplify this, how to find out the values of a and b. Fine. I have found out the values of a and b, and that is a is 1 and b is minus 2. A is 1 and b is minus 2. Alright. So you please simplify that, huh? You please solve that. So therefore after that we can write down, can I rub this part? Can I rub this? This is okay, clear? Okay, so when you simplify this you will get x is equal to a is equal to 1 and b is equal to, therefore you have to simplify this. You cannot write down directly. You simplify this. I mean solve this, not simplify. You solve this. These two equations, simultaneous equations. When you solve, you get a is equal to and b is equal to. Okay, so a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2. Okay, now some of the students, they leave till here, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2. No, don't leave till here, because our question is, what is x? X, and x is how much? X is ab. Therefore x is equal to, alright? Therefore x is equal to, because in the question we suppose no, x equal to ab, alright? So x is equal to a and b. AB, no, we suppose in the beginning, let here I wrote let x is equal to AB. Alright, so x is equal to AB, and the value of a is 1, that of b is minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is the answer. I hope it's clear. Do you understand? This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay, some of this, once again I am telling you, some of the students, they forget to write down x equal to this. If you don't write down this, you will lose 1 mark. And in mathematics, there is no half mark in 10th standard, ICSE. So please don't forget to write down the matrix X. We want matrix X. If they are saying that you find out the values of A and B in some other question, other type of question, that is okay, fine. But if they are asking you to find out X, matrix X, so you have to find out X. Hope things are very, very clear. Thank you so much. Thanks.